folks, on target training out here in Oregon. Today we're doing a side-by-side comparison of two very nice striker-fired pistols. The Sig P320, 45, 10-round magazine, so 10 plus 1. This gun came to us from AIM Surplus. And then one of my all-time favorite house guns, Glock 21 Gen 3. This gun has had some work done by BG Gunworks, undercut here, some aggressive stippling here that I happen to really like. Some people don't like it, but man, I love the way the gun fits in my hand. And with the grip reduction and the undercut, feels great. So I'm gonna get to shoot these two guns today back to back. So we're at 7 yards from our targets down there. I'm gonna simply work on some accuracy, and then we'll speed up the shot cadence a little bit, and finally we'll end up with some targets over there, which are steel, reactive, and lots of fun. All right, enough of me talking. Let's start shooting right now. Folks, we are 7 yards from our target here. I'm shooting at that 1-inch square. All right, not an exceptional performance on my side running the gun, but you can see 7 yards, got a group about like this, got a couple that are out. That has to do with me being also not having had much time on the Sig. We're gonna speed up our shot cadence just a bit, and my goal here is to keep them within the circle. That shooting is indicative of how soft the Sig shoots, and also the results that you can get when you're managing the trigger and sights appropriately. All right, we're going to do the same thing with the Glock and see how we do compared to the Sig. All right, so we have our Glock 21, 7 yards, same drill, slow press for the first magazine, and then we'll pick up our shot cadence. That was me. Now, if we compared that to the first string on the Sig, you could say, oh, well, the Sig's more accurate. Nah, it's just a matter of the way that I'm running trigger. I also put brand new sights on here before coming out here. So that may have something to do with it, but it's really, I mean, to me, these guns are equitable based on shooting them back to back. Still, the Sig, at least in that first trial, did a little bit better than the Glock at this distance. But that, my friends, is more likely has to do with the operator. All right, we're gonna pick up our shot cadence here and see how we do. I threw one out. Another one out. So what's interesting, and I'll take the camera and we'll show you both the targets here. While I've got more of the Glock out, of the two shots that I threw out, there's one big ragged hole in the middle of it. Again, from an accuracy standpoint, I think they're both pretty good. We'll back up, we'll go out to 25 yards or so and shoot some steel and see how we do with that. Let's take a look at our targets real quick. All right, so here is, as I was saying, there's that big sort of ragged hole. Some other shots here. These two shots really are me and just me managing the trigger, not shooting the Glock 21 that much. But again, combat effective accuracy, and certainly this big ragged hole is impressive. Let's take a look at the Sig target. All right, so with our Sig target here, again, I had a tighter group and I kept all of our shots in. So Better? Worse? I don't know. Both seem pretty good to me. Well, folks, that's a look side by side of two very fine striker-fired guns, the Sig P320 and the Gen 3 Glock 21. I thought both delivered very good results. For whatever reason, today I was shooting the Sig better than I shoot the Glock, and normally I shoot the Glock better than most other .45 striker guns. Both are great values, and I think they do an excellent job depending on what you're looking for the gun to do. But we got good accuracy out of both of them, both at shorter distance and at longer distances when I did my part. Thanks so much for watching, finally, and as always, stay safe.